What's going on, guys? Got a quick unboxing here. I got this mask off of eBay. Packaged and taped up very well. This is a Death Studios mask. It's been a while since I've had a Death Studios mask. I got this one off of eBay for like 40 bucks. Great deal. This mask is called the Calliban Thrasher. I've looked up a few old Death Studios catalogs. I could find a few pictures of it in there. But other than that, I really don't. There's not many of them out there that I can find. So, yeah, glad to get this. Let's check it out. This thing is really taped up, so bear with me here. Alright, so yeah, this mask is called the Calliban Thrasher. Jeff doesn't currently offer this mask. It's not on his website. I don't know if he still has the mold or not. Again, I haven't seen many of these masks in anybody's collections, really. I know I seen there's a few pictures on the internet of old Death Studios catalogs. You can see a few pictures, and then DSS Masks, Dark Side Studios. I know that he has a blank copy. I've seen the background of a few of his videos, but as far as just seeing him out there, I don't see a lot of people with this mask really. So definitely cool to get this. And there it is. Yeah, it's in great shape. Again, the seller said this was called the Calliban Thrasher. I don't know how many of these that Jeff actually made. Again, I just don't. I haven't seen too many of these, so I really don't know a whole lot about it. I mean, obviously, I know it's a Death Studios mask. I don't know who sculpted it. I'll have to talk to Jeff and see, but definitely a really cool mask. These big spikes or plates on the back, a bunch of spikes down the middle. Yeah, it's a really cool mask. Again, I haven't seen too many of these, so I had to get this. This mask is wearable. It does not have a cut down the back, but the opening is big enough that you can put it on your head without a cut. And there's just the smallest little slits right above the eyes. They probably won't pick up. You can see where my finger comes through, so you can wear this mask. Something out of it. I don't know what year this was made. I don't see a date inside of it anywhere, but again, I know Jeff doesn't offer this right now, so it's probably a while ago that he was making these. So yeah, the Caliban Thrasher mask, made by Death Studios. I got this off eBay secondhand. I got a great deal on it. I don't know how many Jeff made, or who sculpted it. I still have to do a little research on this, but definitely an awesome mask. Really thick, really well made. And like I said, you just don't see too many of these out there. Yeah, definitely he'll look good sitting up here with the rest of them. It's a good sized mask. It's not oversized like a lot of his masks. It's not real huge. I could probably even throw it on real quick. Yeah. The Calliban Thrasher by Death Studios. Very, very cool mask. Glad to add this to the collection. And, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.